Today I'm so excited to share a wonderful all-natural remedy to boost hair growth and to improve the scalp's health. Rosemary is known for its amazing benefits, including stimulating hair follicles and improving the circulation to the scalp, which in turn increases hair growth. In this video, we will go through a step-by-step process in creating this strengthening hair mask at home. Whether you're dealing with hair thinning, hair fall, or you just want to give your scalp a nice boost, this mask is perfect for you. So grab the ingredients, let's get started. We need 3 ingredients to make this rosemary hair pack. We need rosemary leaves. These are dried rosemary leaves. Rosemary is fantastic for stimulating hair follicles and improving the scalp's health. I will leave the Amazon link in the description box. It is cheap yet effective. We need 2 eggs. We will be using both the yolk and the egg white. Egg whites add volume and thickness to the hair strands. Egg yolk strengthen and moisturize the hair follicle, making them less prone to damage. Finally, we need henna powder. Henna strengthens the hair and reduces breakage. I will leave the henna powder link in the description box. Take a mixer, add 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves, add 2 tablespoons of henna powder, crack open 2 eggs and add it to the mixer. Add half a glass of water to make a smooth paste. Grind it. Take a wide tooth comb. Section your hair. Apply the hair mask. Cover your entire scalp and hair with the rosemary hair mask. Apply it on the hair length. Put a bun. Let the hair mask sit on for 20 minutes. I washed my hair with a mild herbal shampoo. This is how my hair looks like. All natural. No straightening, no perming, no smoothening, keratin or any other salon treatments. I also avoid using heat tools to keep my hair healthy. Just sun-dried my hair and this is how it looks. Remember, using this hair mask regularly strengthens the hair follicles, promotes hair growth, reduces dandruff and adds a natural shine to your hair. Use this rosemary hair mask once a week and within 1 month, you will see visible results. If you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family who are suffering from hair thinning. It will be useful for them too. I will leave the link of the rosemary leaves in the description box. It is cheap. I got it for like 199 rupees with a spray bottle from Amazon. Take care. Bye. Check.